artists. Today we're going to draw something super colorful and super fun. A beautiful flower. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's start.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a nice round circle right in the middle of your page. Now, let's draw 5 big petals all around the circle. 1 petal on top, 1 on the right, 1 on the left, 1 bottom left, and 1 bottom right. Wow! It's already looking like a flower! Now, behind the petals, draw 5 big leaves. 1 leaf popping from each gap. Beautiful! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold, smooth, and sharp to make our flower pop. Trace all the lines again. Wow! Look how amazing it looks now! Isn't it awesome?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens, kids. We are using rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. So colorful, so beautiful. Amazing job today, little artists. Your flower looks absolutely beautiful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.